Let's take up MCQ based on hydrogen and its compounds. The sum of the neutrons and protons in one of the isotopes of hydrogen is 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct answer is 3. Two neutrons are there in tritium and one proton, so 2 plus 1, 3 is the highest which is possible. So A part is the correct answer. Hydrogen is evolved by the action of cold dilute nitric acid on iron, copper, magnesium, aluminium. Correct answer is magnesium. Magnesium reacts with cold and 5% nitric acid and liberates hydrogen gas. Manganese and magnesium, there are two metals which can liberate. Zinc can also liberate with 5% nitric acid. The reaction H2S plus H2O2 gives sulfur plus 2 water, shows acidic nature of hydrogen peroxide, alkaline nature of hydrogen peroxide, oxidizing action of hydrogen peroxide, reducing nature of hydrogen peroxide. Correct answer is oxidizing nature of hydrogen peroxide. It is oxidizing H2S to sulfur and water. So C part is the correct answer. Hydrogen peroxide is an oxidizing agent, both oxidizing and reducing agent, none of the above. Correct answer, both oxidizing and reducing agent because it is in oxidation state -1, which can become -2 as well as higher. That's why it can act as oxidizing as well as reducing agent both. Hydrogen may be prepared by heating a solution of caustic soda with magnesium, zinc, iron, and silver. Correct answer is zinc. Zinc reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas is formed. The volume of 10 volume of hydrogen peroxide required to liberate 500 ml of oxygen at NTP or STP is, correct answer is 50 ml because 1 ml of such hydrogen peroxide liberates 10 ml of oxygen at STP. 500 ml of oxygen will be liberated by 50 ml of 10 volume hydrogen peroxide. So A part is the correct answer. Hydrogen peroxide has linear structure, closed chain structure, closed book structure, half open book structure. Correct answer is D part. It has half open book structure. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Hydrogen peroxide can act as oxidizing agent. Hydrogen peroxide can act as reducing agent. Hydrogen peroxide has acidic properties. Hydrogen peroxide has basic properties. D part is the incorrect statement because hydrogen peroxide does not have basic properties. It has acidic properties and it can act as both oxidizing as well as reducing agents. Under what conditions of temperature and pressure the formation of atomic hydrogen from molecular hydrogen will be favored most? High temperature and high pressure, low temperature and low pressure, high temperature and low pressure, low temperature and high pressure. Correct answer is C part, high temperature and low pressure is the correct answer. Given colorless liquid will be determined whether it is water or not by smelling, by tasting, by phenolphthalein, by adding a pinch of anhydrous copper sulfate. D part is the correct answer. Anhydrous copper sulfate is dirty white in color. When it comes in contact with water, it changes to blue color. Next, the HOH bond angle in water molecule is about 90 degree, 180 degree, 102 degree, 105 degree. Correct answer is D part. It's actual 104.5, which is close to 105 degree. When two ice cubes are pressed over each other, they unite to form one cube. Which of the following forces is responsible to hold them together? Hydrogen bond formation, van der Waals forces, covalent attraction, ionic attraction. Correct answer is hydrogen bond formation. Ice cubes join together due to the formation of hydrogen bonds. The process used for removal of hardness of water is Kalgan, Bayer's, Serpex, Hoops. Correct answer is A part. Kalgan is sodium polymetaphosphate or sodium hexametaphosphate, which is used for removal of calcium ion and magnesium ion in the form of magnesium metaphosphate and calcium metaphosphate, which can be filtered off. In which of the following reactions H2O2 acts as reducing agent? The first part is lead peroxide. Lead dioxide plus H2O2 gives lead monoxide plus water plus oxygen. In B part, sodium sulfite is getting oxidized to sodium sulfate and water is formed. In C part, potassium iodide is getting oxidized to iodine and KOH is being formed. In D part, KNO2 is getting oxidized to KNO3 and water is formed. So correct answer is A part, in which PbO2, that is Pb from +4 oxidation state, it is reduced to +2 oxidation state. Action of water or dilute mineral acids on metals can give monohydrogen, tritium, dihydrogen, trihydrogen, or D2. Correct answer is C part, that is dihydrogen or H2, ordinary hydrogen is formed. Which of the following metals will give hydrogen on reaction with NaOH, beryllium, barium, calcium, strontium? A part is correct answer. Beryllium, aluminium, zinc on reaction with NaOH give hydrogen gas. Which of the following is used as rocket fuel? Liquid hydrogen, liquid nitrogen, liquid ammonia, liquid hydrogen. Correct answer is liquid hydrogen, although it is accompanied with oxidizer, that is liquid oxygen. So rocket fuel will be hydrogen, whereas liquid oxygen will act as oxidizer. Which of the following could act as propellant for rockets? Liquid oxygen per liquid argon, liquid nitrogen plus liquid oxygen, liquid hydrogen plus liquid oxygen, liquid hydrogen plus liquid nitrogen. C part is the correct answer. Liquid hydrogen is fuel and liquid oxygen is oxidizer, which is required for production of large amount of energy, and this pair can act as rocket propellant. On burning hydrogen in air, the color of the flame is green, light bluish, yellow, none of these. Correct answer is light blue color is formed when hydrogen undergoes combustion. Surface water contains suspended impurities, organic impurities, salt and organic compounds. Correct answer is suspended impurities. Water is oxidized to oxygen by ozone, KMnO4, H2O2, F2 and ClO2. Correct answer is D part. F2 can oxidize water to oxygen because F2 is better oxidizing agent than oxygen. Rather, it is the best oxidizing agent. Ozone is the second best oxidizing agent and oxygen is the third best oxidizing agent. Number of hydrogen bonds formed by water molecules are 2, 8, C is 1 or 4. Correct answer is D part. 4 hydrogen bonds are formed by each water molecules. 2 are formed by hydrogen and 2 are formed by oxygen. Water softening by Clark process uses calcium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, potassium, calcium hydroxide, sodium aluminate. Correct answer is calcium hydroxide is used as water softener in Clark's process. The HOO bond angle in hydrogen peroxide is 107.28 degree, 109.28 degree, or 104.5 or 97. Correct answer is D part. 97 degree is the bond angle. What is false about H2O2? Acts as both oxidizing and reducing agent. Two OH bond lie in same plane. Pale blue liquid can be oxidized by ozone. Correct answer is B part. Both the OH bonds are not coplanar, they are in different planes. When electric current is passed through an ionic hydride in molten state, hydrogen is liberated at anode, hydrogen is liberated at cathode, hydride ion migrates towards cathode, hydride ion remains in the solution. Correct answer is hydrogen is liberated at anode. Because it is H negative, loss of electron will take place at anode. Among calcium hydride, ammonia, sodium hydride and V2H6, which are covalent hydrides, ammonia and V2H6, sodium hydride and calcium hydride, sodium hydride and ammonia, calcium hydride and V2H6. Correct answer is A part. Ammonia and V2H6 are covalent hydride, whereas calcium hydride and sodium hydride are ionic or saline hydrides. So A part is the correct answer. Hydrogen is not obtained when zinc reacts with steam, hot NaOH, concentrated sulfuric acid, dilute HCl. Correct answer is concentrated sulfuric acid, because conc sulfuric acid is an oxidizing agent. It will liberate sulfur dioxide and not hydrogen with zinc. Hardness of water sample containing 0.02 moles of magnesium sulfate dissolved in a liter is expressed as 20 ppm, 200 ppm, 2000 ppm or 120 ppm or 240 ppm. Correct answer is calculated in this manner. 0.002 moles of MgSO4 is equivalent to 240 because molecular weight of MgSO4 is 120 multiplied by 2 will be 240 into 10 to the power minus 3 grams. The equivalents of calcium carbonate will be 200 because this is 2 moles of MgSO4. So it will be 200 into 10 to the power minus 3. This much calcium carbonate is present in 1 liter and 1 liter means 10 to the power 3 ml. So 10 to the power 6 ml will contain 200. So that will be 200 ppm will be the hardness. So correct answer is B part. When hydrogen peroxide is added to acidified potassium dichromate, a blue color is produced due to the formation of CrO3, Cr2O3, CrO5, chromate and dichromate ion. Correct answer is CrO5, which is blue in color. Cr2O3 is green, CrO3 is red, chromate ions are yellow and dichromate ions are orange. So correct answer is C part. This is chromium peroxide. There are two peroxide linkage and one oxide linkage and oxidation state is +6 and not +10. C part is the correct answer. The hybridization of oxygen in hydrogen peroxide is sp3d, sp, sp2, sp3. E part is sp3d2. Correct answer is D part, that is sp3 hybridization. Each oxygen atoms have sp3 hybridization because there is single bond and two lone pair of electrons. These two bonds are formed and two lone pair of electrons are present on each oxygen. So hybridization is sp3. Hydrogen can be prepared by action of dilute sulfuric acid on copper, iron, lead, mercury. Correct answer is iron because iron is more reactive than hydrogen, whereas copper, lead, mercury are less reactive than hydrogen and cannot liberate hydrogen with dilute sulfuric acid. The alkali metal form salt-like hydrides by direct synthesis at elevated temperature. The thermal stability of these hydrides decreases in which of the following orders? A part, B part, C part, and D part. Correct answer is B part. Lithium hydride is more stable, and as the atomic size of the alkali metal increases, stability of hydrides decreases. So B part is the correct answer.